It is windy outside. On average, it's 20 to 30 miles per hour, and we could have gusts of up to 40 miles per hour. I also don't have any gas, but we'll see. Alright, let's roll. So hey guys and gals, my YouTube family, I am Slim Rides, and welcome to my first MotoVlog after changing the tires on my 2021 Ducati Panigale V4. So it's a cold day here on the East Coast where I live. It's super windy, and while we're testing out my new setup and the GoPro mod that I added, hopefully we'll get some pretty good feedback that supports all of the great reviews that I have been hearing about it. It's cold, I'll tell you that. It's not 50 degrees outside today, but I needed new tires, and you gotta do what you gotta do so that when the weather gets warm, you have what you need. So the downfall of having the GoPro situated in a chin mount position is that it makes it quite difficult for me to open up my visor. I wear an AGV Pista GPRR helmet, and in order to open this helmet, you need the centerpiece and that piece particularly is blocked by having the GoPro mounted there. I also don't have any gas, but she is super bendy. Ooh, let's do that. Alright, that burst was needed to defog my visor, and yes, I have a pin lock. I just have not installed it. I know for certain I have to be the only biker out today. I know people are like, she is mad, and it's a female. She's mad. She has to be. No one in their right mind will be outside in this kind of condition. It's windy. Right now, that wind is trying to push me and this bike. So I really just want to hear what this sounds like. I'm not sure if you all will be able to hear how windy it is outside, but it has been windy since yesterday actually. I mean, if you sat in your house, it would sound crazy. Like, it's one of those. It's one of those kind of windy days where the trash cans on the side of your house have fallen over. That's what I mean by it's windy outside. I just came home after surviving that. I think that's my trash can. That's my trash can, y'all. So I'm not sure if this mod is going to pick it up. If it doesn't, then that is awesome, and a reason why I would then write a good review on on this. So I'll show you guys in a separate video how to have the same setup that I have on your bike, on your helmet, I should particularly say. Wow, something is in my left eye. Fun fact, I'm notorious for having something in my eye. Everyone that has ever ridden with me can fact check that. Slim always has something in her eye. How does it end up getting in my eye from within the helmet? No idea. No idea. So it's really windy, and I want to still be able to speak to you all in what I would consider my normal tone of voice. I hope you guys can see all of this, these leaves, as a prime example of really and truly how windy it is outside. What I will say is that I'm thankful for the size of my windscreen on this bike. Not only is it great for, ooh, did you guys see that? Not only is it great for, ooh, did you guys see that? Not only is it great for masking and covering me and protecting me, allowing me to tuck when I am at high speeds, but particularly in this situation, I'm not really feeling a lot of that wind on my chest. It's literally going right over like where my shoulder blades are and kind of dispersing off between my left and my right shoulders. I'm not actually feeling any of this ridiculous wind outside, so that's a positive. Comparatively speaking to any other motorcycle that I have ridden, I could feel the wind. So let's just try and get home as safely as possible. My fingertips are now pretty dull despite me having liners on. Wow, that's pretty. So yeah, I installed the GoPro Media Mod for my helmet, for my GoPro 9 on my helmet, and it adds a little bulk to it. I was slightly concerned about the added weight on my chin. Today, however, is not really a good day for me to try and assess that. It's super windy outside. I'm not sure if you all will be able to hear it. I'm actually hoping that you really won't be able to hear it. The point of me installing the Media Mod was to decrease the amount of wind noise that you'll hear as I ride. So although it's really, really windy outside, you all really shouldn't even be able to hear that. My fingertips are dead, like dead. Ducati, you did me a disservice by not including cruise control and not including heated grips. I find it quite insulting for you all to put a button on my handlebar for heated grips, as you can see right there, but it doesn't come readily available and installed on your bikes. Just saying, might be cool to include. I don't think that it's fair that you put heated tanks and heated ass seats and everything else, but you can't give me heated grips. It's quite ridiculous. Let's get out of this situation. Wow, let's go. face. I know you do it too. My fingertips are so dead, y'all. They are dead. They are dead. They are dead. They are dead. I cannot even feel them bad boys. Like, what are those? What are fingertips? Not something that Slim is feeling right now. No feeling in those bad boys whatsoever. Here's the baby. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Fresh shoes on her. Still not warm. It's cold as shit outside. It's very, very cold outside.
I'm not sure how I survived this just now, but I did. The winds are almost like 40 miles per hour. I don't even think it's 40 degrees outside. That's a bush. That's a bush.